guys, this is Tulika Majumdar and I am back once again. As promised in my earlier video, in my last video, that I will be doing videos only for the beginners. So today's video is all about losing fat from your upper body. So today uh, there will be few exercises, very low intensity cardio exercises which are meant for upper body fat reduction, and also this will help you to build strength in your upper body and as well as flexibility in the upper body. So exercise every day, no matter what. Take out just 15 to 20 minutes if you want to see results. If you are doing one day exercise and then there is a long gap in between, then I'm really sorry, you'll not be able to see any visible results or changes in your body. So it's must that you are consistent in what you do. Exercising every day is not only important for your physical well-being, but it's also very important for your mental well-being. In this pandemic, everyone is inside the house, so utilize this time, do something for your body, and I am dead sure, I can guarantee you that you will be able to see changes in your body within no time. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And straight with your legs, feet together, legs together, and hand at the front. Make a fist, okay, and then what you need to do, you need to open it, close it, open it, close it, open the fist and close. So this we will do 20 times, okay. Don't move your hand like this while opening and closing. Make it straight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Now you raise both your hands up, can you see, and then close the fist. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and last one 20. Release, come back to center, and then what we will do, we will roll our shoulder clockwise and then anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we will shrug our shoulder, like hand by your side, 1 up and down, 1 down, 1 and down, okay. So up and down. So let's start it. Up and down. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and last one 20. Release, and now hands by your side, okay, and then roll your hands. First we will do clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Fingers together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Release. Now hands up. 1 2 3. Try to bring your hands just behind your ears. It should not be like this. It should be parallel and beside your ears, or if you can keep it behind the ears. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one 10. Now hold it for a few seconds, interlace your finger and then hold for few minutes, few seconds. I'll count it for you. 1, 2, 3. Pull your rib cage while holding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last one 20. Release. Shake your hands a little bit. Okay, so come back. Now we will raise our hands up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, opposite side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last one 20. Release. Now what we will do, we will roll our hands clockwise and anti-clockwise, but it should be in full range of motion. Okay, don't roll like this. Roll in full range of motion. Okay, full round, you have to make a full semicircle. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, very good. You are doing really nice. So now we will twist side to side. Okay, while twisting side to side, always mind that your leg should not move. Your leg should be still, and this is only the torso that will be moving back. So this is very good for your side fat. So hands at the front. 1, back to center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one 10. Release. We will do this one more time. So hands at the front, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Now sit on the mat. Okay, so lie down flat on the mat on your belly like this. Okay. So what you need to do, you have to just raise your chest. Hands will be at the front, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can feel the stretch in your spine, and it's very good for your back. If you have a back pain also, this will definitely relieve you from the pain. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back on the mat. So we will do this for one more time. Chin on the mat, and then raise your upper body, your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Come to tabletop position. Come to tabletop position. Now we will do 10 times push-up. Since this is a beginner's video, so we will not be doing the full push-up. We will do kneeling push-up. So hands, the legs crossed with each other. Okay. Hands should be shoulder width distance apart, and then bring your chest forward. Okay. And if possible, try to lower down your chest from the floor. We will do this for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your core engaged. 9, 10. Release. Come back to tabletop. So while doing kneeling push-up, always make sure that your spine is straight and engage your core muscle. Okay? Don't arch your back while lowering down your chest. This you have to keep in mind. Hands shoulder width distance apart, legs crossed, and lower down your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Come to tabletop position. And from here, we will come in a plank position. Okay? So, extend your both the feet. Back. Core should be engaged. Okay? Engage your core muscle. Try to come forward. Bring your chest forward. Your body should be in a straight line. And then hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So bring down your knees on the ground. Rest for a few seconds. Find your breath here. Inhale and exhale properly. again we will do plank and hold it for 10 count. Okay, so extend your leg back, make your body in a straight line, engage your core muscle, bring your chest forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Bring down your knees on the mat, and if you are really exhausted, then come to child pose for a few seconds. Alright, now come to side plank. Okay, so if you are not able to extend both the legs, so my advice is that you keep one leg on the mat, your one knee on the mat, and one leg extended, so that you can gain strength day by day. It will not happen in one day, it will take time. So your one knee should be on the ground and one leg extended. My right arm is on the mat and left arm on the ceiling, okay, towards the ceiling. So look up and hold this position. Make sure you are engaging your core muscle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And day by day, when you will see that you have gained strength in the body, then you can either stagger both the feet, okay, or stack both the feet together, whatever is comfortable for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now we will change side. We will do with our left side. So come. Left hand on the ground, left knee on the ground, and your right leg is extended. Your right hand is towards the ceiling. Look up, engage your core muscle and hold it for few seconds. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Now if you are comfortable, then either stagger both the feet or stack both the feet together and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Now this will be our last exercise of this video, and this is very good for your back. So lie down flat on the mat on your belly, the front, both the hands at the front. You don't have to lift your legs, you have to just lift your hand and chest. Okay, this we will do for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. So you can see me, my God, I am so sweating. So we will do this for one more time. Again, feet together, hands at the front, and raise your hands and chest. This will be do simultaneously, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from 10. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Very good. Now come to child pose and bum on your heels. Lower down your chest on the mat and rest here for a few seconds. Now raise your head and chest. Come on your knees and lower down your chest. Extend both the hands at the front. And this will stretch your chest and shoulder, your arms, everything. Now gently come up. So this comes the end of the round. If you are really comfortable in doing one more round, then do it. It will be good for you. So you can see me how much I am sweating. These exercises are really effective. Cardio doesn't mean that you have to jump or you have to run, you have to hop and you have to do all sorts of things. Even if it is a very low intensity cardio workout and you are doing it all right, then that will definitely going to show you result in the body. But my only advice is be consistent. Okay, so if you have really liked watching this video, give a big thumbs up. This is the only thing I need from you. Subscribe the channel, hit the like bell and hit the bell button as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified of it. Share the video among your friends and family so that they also get benefited from it. Until then, you take care, eat healthy, stay inside the house, and wait for my next video. Bye.